SuperViz is a video conferencing tool designed to meet in the real world virtually. You can take a digital twin, create a simple meeting link, and send it to people and meet inside of it as if it was just a video conferencing solution. But once you're inside there, you have this feeling of presence. You can look around, you can see the other avatars around the room with you. You can see where people are looking, where they're pointing. You can follow people around. Our approach is that if you have a SuperViz meeting inside of a Matterport digital twin, when you end the meeting, it's very different. You have a memory of being somewhere together with someone. Matterport has over 5 million places already scanned into digital twins. We handled all the thing about spatial tracking, all that stuff, and just be able to plug that into the Matterport data was really straightforward. I think COVID was an accelerator. Now that people are seeing that they can have remote meetings in physical spaces, they just don't catch a cab to go there together anymore. They don't catch a flight. Matterport's already a very simple system to navigate. We found this happens a lot in the construction industry. In the validation phase of a design or a construction site, they're catching problems much earlier because they can start bringing in people like the plumbers, the electricians, which has a massive savings. We're just doing an ROI study with one of our customers here. In the last year, it was something like $3 million that they saved because of these issues that they were catching. And they created it to be able to bring non-3D people into the 3D spaces early in the process because it's so easy to navigate inside of SuperViz. Recreating the physical experience of being in a real world space together, but making it run in a browser with a simple click of a link.